Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Goodbudget application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Goodbudget app on your device, and after logging into your account, you will be taken into the envelopes page. Now, if you wish to change the email address that you used to create your account, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on Settings. From here, just go into Manage Household on the web, and this will open up the Goodbudget website on your browser. Within this page, you will see the email section. If you wish to make any changes to your email address, just enter your desired new email address within the email box. Make sure to avoid the household username section, as this username serves as your nickname. After entering your preferred email address, scroll down and then tap on the Save button. When you tap on this, you will be taken back into your dashboard. Now, in order to confirm your change, open up the Goodbudget app once again and then go back into Settings from the three dots menu. Once again, tap on Manage Household on the web, and once this page loads, if you see the new email address that you entered just a while ago within the email section, then this means that your email address has been changed. After this point on, anytime you log into your account, you can use your new email address along with your original password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address associated with your Goodbudget application account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to never miss another update from us. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.